My visit here in Lisbon, Portugal is more special upon tasting this little taste of heaven made up of yolk, milk and spices on crispy pastry called pastel de nata, which improves through decades and part of Portuguese history. It is widely known as custard tart, but they are called here as pastel de nata. I bought these freshly baked special treats here in Fabrica de Nata, one of the original bakers here in Lisbon. In the Philippines, these little treats can be compared as to the taste of our leche flan. So creamy, sweet, and I know your visit here in Portugal will not be complete without tasting this pastel de nata. So enjoy! Bye!